Hey guys, we're back again on Blowout TV with this time with an '05 Bowman Chrome Football Hobby Box Break for Chris. Alright Chris, good luck. '05 Bowman Chrome has 18 packs, 1 rookie autograph per box. Here we go, 18 packs per box. Alright, pack number 1. Carlos Rogers, LaDainian Tomlinson, Lamont Jordan, Marcus Spears, rookie. Who's this? Mark Bolger, Ben Roethlisberger, Jerome Bettis, and Eric Shelton. Looks like Cam Newton, but it's not. Alright, here we go. Marvin Harrison, Curtis Martin, Brady Popinga, refractor rookie. Packers, not Aaron Rodgers though. Ronald Bartrell. These are hard to see the names on. Jeremy Shockey, Priest Holmes, Eli Manning, Mark Clayton, rookie. We got a Larry Fitzgerald, Deion Branch, Dante Stallworth. This one looks to be numbered to 150. Chris Spencer, rookie. Next up, Thomas Jones, Peyton Manning, Mike Nolan, and a Harry Williams rookie card. Donovan McNabb, Lavernius Coles, Drew Brees, refractor, numbered to 250. Scott Starks. Aaron Brooks, Fred Taylor, TJ Husmanzada, Willie Parker, Bowman Chrome rookie. Javon Walker, Willis McGahee, and a Jerome Mathis redemption. Not good. I don't know if they are going to honor that, Chris. It says rookie autograph of Jerome Mathis. When does this expire? Not sure. It doesn't really say. Oh, it says 12/31/07. Ah. Well, it hasn't expired for that long. Only 4 years. Maurice Claret. Rookie auto. Terrell Owens. Julius Jones. Drew Bledsoe, Josh Bullocks. Who knows? You might write the tops and maybe they'll do something for you. Tiki Barber, Kevin Jones, Brett Favre, Jonathan Babineau. Let me know if you need an invoice, Chris. Sometimes tops, they ask for an invoice. I don't know why. Travis Henry, Brandon Lloyd, Randy Moss, refractor. Lofa Tatupo, rookie. Trent Green, Plaxico, Clinton Portis, Erasmus James, rookie. Joey Harrington, Drew Bennett, Kevin Burnett, rookie, refractor. And then James Killian. Next up, Antonio Gates, Kerry Colbert, Daryl Backstock, rookie refractor. Kevin Hayden. Alright, we got 3 packs left. Joe Horn, Michael Jenkins, Dante Culpepper, Odell Thurman, rookie. 2 packs left. David Carr, Lee Suggs, Jason Witten, Jerome Carter, rookie. Alright, Chris, last pack, man. Good luck. Tim Lewis, Chris Brown, Stephen Davis, refractor. And a James Butler rookie. Alright, well thanks a lot. I'll be sure to get this all out for you tomorrow. And take care.